Hello, I'm Sweepy. You might think I'm just a sweeper, but around here, I'm just the first line of defense for the planet's cleanliness. Every speck of dirt and dust matters to me. After all, a clean facility is environmentally friendly facility. And yeah, I'm a little excited about it. I love my job. But to be honest, so does everyone who works in this amazing industry. We all know how important this work is. I'm just a small part of it. A kind of unsung hero. Oh, let me get that in its place. Shoot. Scores! 2 points. This facility isn't just clean. It's part of something bigger. Something that literally helps build the world around us. See all this metal? That's the raw materials for the mills and foundries they need to produce new metals. They're the foundation of everything we depend on. The highways we drive on, the bridges that connect us, the hospitals that heal us, the schools that teach us, and even the airplanes and military that keep us moving and safe. It all starts here with the recycled materials facility. This industry is vital. See you next time. Oh, my favorite song's on the radio. While my guitar gently sweeps. Bye.